Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about vectors. Vectors in R. A vector in R is a fundamental data structure that stores a sequence of elements of the same type of data. It is like a one-dimensional array where each element occupies a specific position. We have three kinds of vectors: numeric vectors, character vectors, and logical vectors. Let's take an example. We are assigning a vector to y. So y equals to, we are using C here, 10, 12, minus 32, 40, 50, and 100. Now we want to put all this element together. What is C here? C here is concatenate. Just like if we want to put all things together here, so we use this concatenate. What is 3y here? If we want to multiply each element by 3, we use 3 into y. The result will be 30, 36, minus 96, 120, 150, and 300. Similarly, if we go for absolute y, in absolute y, it will convert every number into a positive. If we talk about class of y, the class of y is a numeric. Length, we can find the length. Here we have six elements. We can similarly find mean, maximum, minimum, and quartiles. Let's check in R. We have three vectors here. First is numeric, second is character, third is logical. When we say run, in the first vector, see here we have numeric values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a memory. In character vector, always write letters in quotes, right? In which we have three elements: apple, banana, and cherry, and the logical vector. Logical vector, please remember that always write true and false in capital letters without quote. And now the third is the logical vector. Now I'm taking example. We are writing six element into a vector and assigning to y. So what's the value of y right now? Y is right now 10, 12, minus 32, 40, 50, and 100. So if we multiply by 3, then all element will be multiplied by 3. Absolute of y is, it will convert every number of y into positive. If you want to check the class is numeric. Length of y is 6. If you want to calculate the mean is 30, maximum is 100, and the minimum one is minus 32, right? If you want to calculate the quartiles, but there's a no word quartiles in R. We use quantiles here to calculate quartiles. So when we say quantiles of y, it will give you the quartiles. Please remember that quantiles will give you quartiles. And now the next vector. Right now we are writing here z. We are assigning z and we are saying repeat this vector three times. So it will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 three times. Check. In z we have all this element and now we want to print z. Check that. Right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 three times. Now if you want to extract any element from your vector using subscript, how can you do that? For example, you want to write the full vector y, just write here only y. Now I want to extract fourth element. What's the fourth element of y? Fourth element of y is 40, right? So now I want to extract 40 here. So I will write here y in large bracket number 4. So it will give me 40. If I want to extract third number is minus 32, right? So we will run this, it will give me only minus 32. I think it's clear to everyone how can we write a vector and how can we extract any element using subscript. Hope it is helpful. Thank you.